Facts of the case. A collision occurred shortly before midnight on the 2nd of August 1926 between the French mail steamer Lotus and Turkish collier Bozkurt. The French mail steamer was captained by a French citizen by the name Demons, while the Turkish collier, Bozkurt, was captained by Hassan Bey. The Turks lost 8 men after their ship cut into two and sank as a result of the collision. Although the Lotus did all it could within its power to help the shipwrecked persons, it continued on its course to Constantinople, where it arrived on August 3. On the 5th of August, Lieutenant Demons was asked by the Turkish authority to go ashore to give evidence. After Demons was examined, he was placed under arrest without informing the French Consul General and Hassan Bey. Demons were convicted by the Turkish courts for negligence conduct in allowing the accident to occur.
Issue of the case. Does a rule of international law which prohibits a state from exercising criminal jurisdiction over a foreign national who commits acts outside of the state's national jurisdiction exist?
The ruling of the court in this case is that, as per curiam, the answer to the issue is no. A rule of international law, which prohibits a state from exercising criminal jurisdiction over a foreign national who commits acts outside of the state's national jurisdiction, does not exist. Failing the existence of a permissive rule to the contrary is the first and foremost restriction imposed by international law on a state. And it may not exercise its power in any form in the territory of another state. This does not imply that international law prohibits a state from exercising jurisdiction in its own territory. In respect of any case that relates to acts that have taken place abroad which it cannot rely on some permissive rule of international law. In this situation, it is impossible to hold that there is a rule of international law that prohibits Turkey from prosecuting Demons because he was aboard a French ship. This stems from the fact that the effects of the alleged offense occurred on Turkish vessel. Hence, both states here may exercise concurrent jurisdiction over this matter because there is no rule of international law in regards to collision cases to the effect that criminal proceedings are exclusively within the jurisdiction of the state whose flag is flown.